Welcome to Study Care. In this video we are going to discuss about SSC 12 level exam questions answers on physics. Let's start.
Physics questions. 1. What is the SI unit of force? Answer: Newton N. 2. What is the speed of light in a vacuum? Answer: 3 times 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. 3. Who discovered the law of gravitation? Answer: Sir Isaac Newton. 4. What is the SI unit of power? Answer: Watt W. 5. What is the unit of electric current? Answer: Ampere A. 6. What is Ohm's law? Answer: V equals IR, voltage equals current times resistance. 7. What is the frequency of AC current in India? Answer: 50 Hz. 8. What is the SI unit of energy? Answer: Joule J. 9. Which device is used to measure atmospheric pressure? Answer: barometer. 10. What is the phenomenon behind the rainbow? Answer: refraction, dispersion, and total internal reflection. Chemistry questions. 11. What is the pH of pure water? Answer: 7. Neutral. 12. What is the chemical formula of common salt? Answer: nickel. 13. Who is known as the father of modern chemistry? Answer: Antoine Lavoisier. 14. What is the atomic number of oxygen? Answer: 8. 15. What is the main constituent of natural gas? Answer: methane, CH. 16. What is the chemical symbol for gold? Answer: O. 17. What type of bond is formed by the sharing of electrons? Answer: covalent bond. 18. What is the SI unit of pressure? Answer: Pascal Pa. 19. What is the formula for baking soda? Answer: NaCO. 20. What is the chemical name of vinegar? Answer: acetic acid, CH2. Biology questions. 21. Who is the father of biology? Answer: Aristotle. 22. What is the powerhouse of the cell? Answer: mitochondria. 23. Which organ is responsible for pumping blood in the human body? Answer: heart. 24. What is the structural and functional unit of life? Answer: cell. 25. Which vitamin is known as the sunshine vitamin? Answer: vitamin D. 26. What is the normal pH of human blood? Answer: 7.4. 27. Which organ is responsible for filtering blood in humans? Answer: kidneys. 28. Which pigment gives plants their green color? Answer: chlorophyll. 29. What is the largest gland in the human body? Answer: liver. 30. Which gas is released during photosynthesis? Answer: oxygen. Mixed general science questions. 31. What is the SI unit of temperature? Answer: Kelvin K. 32. Which gas is known as laughing gas? Answer: nitrous oxide, NO. 33. What is the boiling point of water in Celsius? Answer: 100 degrees Celsius. 34. What is the chemical name of washing soda? Answer: sodium carbonate, NaCO. 35. What is the study of fungi called? Answer: mycology. 36. What is the most abundant gas in Earth's atmosphere? Answer: nitrogen, 78%. 37. Which part of the cell contains genetic material? Answer: nucleus. 38. What is the chemical formula of ozone? Answer: shocked phase. 39. Which type of lens is used in a magnifying glass? Answer: convex lens. 40. What is the full form of DNA? Answer: deoxyribonucleic acid. 41. What is the process by which plants make their food? Answer: photosynthesis. 42. What is the hardest natural substance on Earth? Answer: diamond. 43. What is the main component of hemoglobin? Answer: iron. 44. What is the process of converting a liquid into vapor called? Answer: evaporation. 45. What is the term for animals that live on land and water? Answer: amphibians. 46. What is Newton's first law of motion? Answer: a body remains at rest or in uniform motion unless acted upon by an external force. 47. Which acid is present in lemons? Answer: citric acid. 48. What is the universal solvent? Answer: water. 49. Which blood group is known as the universal donor? Answer: shocked face, negative. 50. Which organ is responsible for the production of insulin? Answer: pancreas.
I hope this video helped you for your exam. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you for watching.